Hello, in this video we're gonna check if POCO C40 has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device. So the first one is right here, that's on the top of the screen, and it's a phone call speaker. Now the second is at the bottom, right here, nothing on the top, right or left side. Also not any sign of a speaker on the back. So to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music and cover each of the speaker with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's play music. So the sound is coming from the bottom speaker only, and that would mean that's not a stereo speaker but mono speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.